you got to convert an equation from rectangular to polar form, you could use these two things to help you convert. X equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta. So it's straightforward substitution here. If you got y equals negative square root of 3 over 3x, plug in r sine theta for y, and that should equal negative square root of 3 over 3. And then we've got r cosine theta for x. So we've got the equation. It'd just be nice if we could clean it up. So we got r on both sides. So divide both sides by r to get sine theta equals negative square root of 3 over 3 cosine theta, right, because the r's cancel out. And then sine, cosine go hand in hand if they're in a fraction, right, because that can give us tangent. So divide both sides by cosine theta, you get tangent theta equals negative square root of 3 over 3. And then this is going to be one of your reference triangles, okay? Negative square root of 3 over 3, that's the same thing as negative, let's see how I can simplify that. Negative 1 over square root of 3, if you want to rearrange. I don't think that's going to help. Let's just go to a reference triangle here, okay? So tangent's negative in two places, right? That is the old trick. All students take calculus. All are positive here. Sine's the only one positive here. Tangent's positive here, and cosine's positive here. So tangent's negative here, and tangent's negative here. Okay, so to figure out the theta, so that the tangent ratio will make negative square root of 3 over 3, we have reference triangles. If you take a guess and put square root of 3 over 2 here, put 1/2 over here, remember that's one of the two big special triangles we try to make students memorize, is that one side's square root of 3 over 2, the other side's 1/2, hypotenuse is 1. Okay, so if you make the triangle like this, angle theta would be opposite over hypotenuse, right? Square root of 3 over 2 divide by 1/2. And when you simplify that, you get square root of 3. So that didn't work out, okay? That's not r square root of 3 over 3. So quickly back to the drawing board here. We know it's got to be the other combination, okay? 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. That way the tangent ratio is the opposite divided by the adjacent. So that's going to be, if you flip and multiply the second fraction, it's going to be 2 over 2 square roots of 3, which simplifies to be 1 over square root of 3. And when you rationalize the denominator, that's the same thing as square root of 3 over 3, okay? So to make this happen, to go from 0 to this angle theta, you go 90 degrees, and then the angle theta in here, if 1/2 is opposite of it, 30 degrees is always the angle that's opposite of 1/2. So this is 150 degree angle, which is equal to 150 divided by 180 times pi, which is, I'm going to count on my fingers here, 5 pi over 6. Okay, so I think that's the one they want. There's another answer here. You could do the same reference triangles over there, but I think they want the positive. Let's see, 5 pi over 6. That's what we saw for theta. Okay, that's what they're looking for.